Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to move files in VS Code. First, make sure the Explorer view is visible. That's the file tree sidebar on the left side of VS Code. If you can't see it, click the Explorer icon in the activity bar at the top of the far left toolbar. You can also press Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac to toggle the sidebar. Once the Explorer is open, you'll see your project's file and folder structure. Navigate through the folders to find the file you want to move. If folders are collapsed, click the arrow icon next to any folder name to expand it. Now for the actual move, click on the file name and hold the mouse button down. The file will highlight to show it's selected. While still holding, drag the file over to wherever you want to move it. As you hover over folders in the Explorer, they'll highlight to show you where the file will land. When you're hovering over the destination folder, release the mouse button to drop the file. VS Code will likely show you a confirmation dialog. Click to confirm the move. The file will disappear from its original location and appear in the destination folder. The Explorer view updates immediately so you can see the file in its new home. A few quick tips if your destination folder isn't visible in the Explorer: expand the parent folders first so you can drag the file there. Work your way down the folder tree until the destination is visible, then do the drag and drop. Also, if you're working with JavaScript or TypeScript files, VS Code can automatically update import paths when you move files around. So if other files import the file you just moved, VS Code will fix those import statements for you. This feature is on by default, but if you need to adjust it, look for Update Imports on File Move in the settings. And that's how to move files in VS Code. Thanks for watching.